The first recipe we are going to prepare is a lime and coriander hummus recipe. For this recipe we are going to need the following ingredients. We are going to need the freshly squeezed juice of 2 or 3 limes. In alternative, you can buy also freshly squeezed juice from your supermarket. We are going to add to the blender 1 cup of chickpeas, 3 tablespoons of tahini, the freshly squeezed lime juice, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, a little bit of salt, a handful of coriander. We are going to add 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds and a little bit of olive oil. Then we are going to blend it until it's creamy and smooth. Pour it into a container and feel free to decorate it with some lime slices and some hemp seeds.
If you like this video and you want to receive other videos in the future, please subscribe and click the bell for further notifications. Thank you for watching and see you the next time.